Hi guys, my name is Kenny Drummond. I'm Principal Teacher Curriculum here at Armadale Academy for Maths and Technologies. I just want to spend a couple of seconds just to show you some of the things that I've been doing on my Promethean board. Obviously OneNote, Microsoft has been massive post-pandemic, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've been doing to replace Smart Notebook or Active Inspire. I've been obviously using OneNote. If we look up at the top bar, you'll see mine is probably a lot busier than your default bar. What a lot of people don't know is you can build this and construct this and actually move this to be more accessible. As you can see, I've got a lesson here, I've got my starter, I've got my learning intentions, and then I've got my worked examples, my notes, as I go through. So this is how I've been setting up my lessons, specifically more for my higher class, my National 5 class, but trying to do more with the PGE. So going back to this top ribbon, you'll have a wee arrow kind of towards the top of that, right up there, and then you'll get various options. You can actually, right down at the bottom here, show it below the ribbon, and if you watch what happens as I click that button, the bar at the top will then just move below the ribbon with all your kind of home, insert, draw, and I tend to kind of fold that little bit away. What you'll also see is I've set this up so I've got some of my favourite pens, some of my favourite highlighters, my eraser, my pen tool, my laser pen tool, my zoom in, zoom out, and you can change that really easily, again by that little button that I just clicked a minute ago, which is now over here, and then more commands. When you click more commands, you'll get a list of all the different things that OneNote offer, all the popular commands, but you can also click popular commands, click all of the commands, and there's thousands of them. Like I say, this is how I set mine up. If you wanted to set it up in a similar way, you can see favourite pens, favourite highlighters, erasers, zoom in, zoom out, print preview for those moments where you need to send it off to the printer. I then use this a bit like my Smart Notebook, a bit like my Active Inspire, a bit like my PowerPoint annotation, except it's OneNote. So it's all going to the kids straight away, fully uploaded. They get a copy of this. This is sitting in the teacher-only copy, the content library. So the kids aren't able to edit it, but they've constantly got access to it. As soon as they're off, the content is there. As soon as they need to look back on it for work at home, it's there. So this is just something really simple, really straightforward that we've been using here at Armadale Academy in the Maths department.